Hi Sahana.
Hello.
Welcome to Voice of Artists.
Thank you so
It's
much.
a pleasure to talk to you just before Adi has to come. What are you presenting today?
I am presenting Goddess Sharada, and this is, shall I say more about Goddess Sharada? And this is written by Adi Shankaracharya. And as we all familiar with Goddess Sharada as goddess of knowledge, wisdom, arts, music, creativity and all. But the interesting thing I am glad to present here is something really special that Shankaracharya has depicted Sharada riding on a various animals which are we are not so familiar with.
Right.
And she comes on elephant, deer, lion, horse and bull, eagle, swan. So that's the interesting thing in this Sharada Bhujangastakam. And my guru is here, Madhulita Mahopatra, you just spoke to her. So she has choreographed for this.
Beautiful.
So I'm really glad that Usha ma'am had brought this topic, and this takes the steps higher and higher as you go. I'll be starting from Sharada and you go to the river, and from river to the protector Kala Bhairava, and then the guru. And it ends everything resides inside you.
Do you feel a difference in you when you are on stage performing?
Of course, as an artist, we all feel the difference when we go on the stage.
What happens?
We have to feel the character, and then we have to enjoy the dance, then only the audience can enjoy.
Right.
So there'll be a lot of difference when we go on stage and off the stage. On stage, we prepare ourselves as a character and then go. So suppose I'm depicting a bhakta and I have to be like a bhakta and visualize yourself and then go.
What do you think for you is the purpose of dance, classical dance art form especially?
Purpose is, for me, it's like calling.
Uh-huh.
Because I'm from a science background, but this has been there inside me. And dance has given me a lot in lot of difference in life also as a person.
Right.
We become more and more humble when you get into the dance, the environment and the guru, teacher, and we inspire ourselves, the self-motivation. So a lot of things just, it changes you as a person.
What is your voice of artist?
For me, I think I've been a constant performer. So I see all old people or middle-aged people coming and watching dance, praising it. I really want young people and college goers should come and see our rich culture, what we are doing it. And it is not just the dance. We have we are not a body trained dancers, we are all mind trained dancers. So the youngsters should know this and they should come and watch and take this tradition forward.
Such a powerful statement. Thank you so much, Sahana.
Thank
we
you
hope
so
and wish
much.
that we will play our part in bringing more and more young people towards classical dance art forms.
Thank you so much.
प्रसादावलम्बा प्रभुन्या बलम्बा सुवक्षोजकुम्भा सुधापूर्णकुम्भा प्रसादा सदा नोष्ठविम्बा भजे शारदाम्बा भजे शारदाम्बा भजे शारदाम्बा भजे शारदाम्बा मजस्रं मदम्बा भजे शारदाम्बा मजस्रं मदम्बा भजे शारदाम्बा मजस्रं मदम्बम् कदक्षेदयार्दं करिज्ञानमुद्रं कलभिर्विनिद्रं कलपैषु भद्रं कदक्षेदयार्दं करिज्ञानमुद्रं कलभिर्विनिद्रं कलपैषु भद्रं पुरस्त्रीविनिद्रं पुरस्तुङ्गभद्रं पुरस्त्रिं विनिद्रं पुरस्तुङ्गभद्रं भजे शारदाम्बा भजे शारदाम्बा भजे शारदाम्बा भजे शारदाम्बा भजे शारदाम्बा मजस्रमदम्बा भजे शारदाम्बा मजस्रमदम्बा भजे शारदाम्बा मजस्रमदम्बा तुरंगे मृगेन्द्रे खगेन्द्रे मरले मदेभे महक्षे धीरुदम कुरंगे तुरंगे मृगेन्द्रे खगेन्द्रे मरले मदेभे महक्षेधिरुदां महत्यां नवाम्यां सदा समरूपं महत्यां नवाम्यां सदा समरूपं भजे शारदाम्बा
दिन ता धा तगदिन ता तगदिन ता धा दिन ता कडतगता धा दिन दिन ता दिन ता दिन दिन ता दिन कडतगता कडतगता धा धा गिदिन धा दिन ता धा तगदिन ता तगदिन ता धा दिन ता कडतगता धा दिन दिन ता दिन ता दिन दिन ता दिन कडतगता कडतगता धा धा गिदिन धा
भजे शारदाम्बा
धा दिन ता ता कडतगता कता धा दिन ता ता कडतगता कता धान धा धान धा धा दिन ता ता कडतगता कता धा दिन ता ता कडतगता कता धान धा धान धा
भजे शारदाम्बा
तगदिनिता तगदिनिता ता धा धा कडतगता तगदिनिता तगदिनिता ता धा धा कडतगता ता ता कडतगता तगदिनिता तगदिनिता ता धा धा कडतगता तगदिनिता तगदिनिता ता धा धा कडतगता ता ता कडतगता
भजे शारदाम्बा
दिन ता धा तगदिनिता तगदिनिता धा दिन ता कडतगता धा दिन दिन ता दिन ता दिन दिन ता दिन कडतगता कडतगता धा धा गिदिन धा धा दिन ता ता कडतगता कता धा दिन ता ता कडतगता कता धान धा धान धा तगदिनिता तगदिनिता ता धा धा कडतगता तगदिनिता तगदिनिता ता धा धा कडतगता ता ता कडतगता
भजे शारदाम्बा मज श्रमदम्बां भजे शारदाम्बा मज श्रमदम्बां भजे शारदाम्बा मज श्रमदम्बां भजे शारदाम्बा मज श्रमदम्बाम् ज्वलत्कान्तिविहीनं जगन्मोहनाङ्गी भजन्मानसं भुज सुभ्रान्तभृङ्गिं ज्वलत्कान्तिविहीनं जगन्मोहनाङ्गी भजन्मानसं भुज सुभ्रान्तभृङ्गिं निजस्तोत्रसङ्गीता नृत्यप्रभाङ्गी निजस्तोत्रसङ्गीता नृत्यप्रभाङ्गी भजे शारदाम्बा भजे शारदाम्बा भजे शारदाम्बा भजे शारदाम्बा